Ase watu ni 2027 utie form 4 2028 nyaka obed ka Samudhi University koro ununyi wasani nyige bichigi mama u ngira uchielo mama umalis en mheshimiwa to baba umalis en jakoma ena
kontire tuje mawaya to wakopo wawacho ne gita nebe waliro rieko moro machielo ka watimo nade watimo
constituency in every ward. So I will invite the chair, Liz Foundation, Mr. Kopinya, to read out. We can give them a round of applause as they receive the checks. Congratulations. A round of applause, please. Congratulations. You can show it to the camera.
Today we are having an occasion to present scholarship checks to our girls. So far we have given the checks to 6 girls. That is to say, we have given a check to this one. We are doing under Liz Wings to the Future. It is a program under Liz Foundation, specifically for the young bright girls, which you have chosen. We have given them the checks today. Our aim is to sponsor these girls so that in 5 years or so they can also tell their story of who has supported them. We've done our part. Like there's a girl, Wendy. The father is a victim of land clashes around Kibogo, and he passed on. So when she came here, our story really moved the board, and we decided to take her on that merit. And we have got 6 girls who have got over 350. What we want to do with them, we want to adopt them as our children. We are going to pay for them fees. But even as we thought that fees was the most important thing we should do, we have come now to a very hard reality that some of them don't even have uniforms to go to school. So we are really going back to the drawing board as a board, and we are even appealing to well-wishers to really join us so that we can give these girls a decent education.
Kwa majina naitwa Agnes Amondi Anyango, natoka West Nyakach. Nimekuja hapa kushukuru Liz Foundation kwa kusaidia wale hawana uwezo wa kutosha wa kupeleka watoto wao shuleni. Kwa hivyo leo tumepewa cheki. Tunashukuru Liz Foundation kwa yote yale wamefanya. Mimi nilikuwa na mtoto, sikuwa na uwezo wa kumpeleka shuleni. Mimi nauza kando ya barabara, nauza mahindi, na sikuwa na pesa ya kutosha ya kupeleka mtoto wangu shuleni. Anaitwa Florence Reward Ajuang. Alisoma shule ya Nyadero Primary School. Alipata alama ya 358 na aliitwa shule ya Nyamira Girls High School. Sikuwa na uwezo wa kupeleka Florence Reward Nyamira, lakini kwa uwezo wa Mungu nimepokea cheki leo kutoka kwa Liz Foundation. Nasema asante sana kwa Liz Foundation kwa kutuwezesha kupeleka watoto wetu shuleni.
My name is Wendy Whitney Akinyi. I learned in Glorious Group of School Embakasi. I attained 385 marks after sitting for my KCPE. We had nothing to do since we had no money, My parent does not go to work. She is just a casual worker. Sometimes she does work, sometimes she doesn't do it. Because since my father died, I did not have anywhere to go. But since Liz Foundation decided to sponsor me till Form 4, I really appreciate for this sponsorship.
My name is Michelle Akot. I learned at Sigot Primary School in Central Nyakach. I really appreciate Liz Foundation for supporting me. I didn't have anywhere to go because my parents could not afford to pay my school fee. I really appreciate Liz Foundation.
My name is Lovina Cheng and I am very happy, and I would like to thank Liz Foundation for the great honor that they have done for us today.